Hey gardeners, when you're driving by on Johnston Street in Lafayette, you might recognize this sign in this building, but you might wonder how big we are. Come along with me and I will show you how big we really are. This might be a longer video today. When you walk in, you're going to see 5 acres of purple shirts, green shirts, and lots of flowers and shrubs. Follow me. Right when you walk in, this is what you'll see. Our front color section is what we call it. To my right, we have our outdoor cashier stand. And to my left, we start off with all of our front color, our herbs and vegetables, everything seasonal. So right here we have all of our herbs, vegetables, hanging baskets, some more herbs and vegetables right here. You come this way. We normally have some annuals. We're still in our front color section. This is where you'll find a lot of your fun in the sun plants. No matter what the season is, you're going to find your annuals. Our front color garden experts are taking really good care of this. It's starting to bloom. Look how beautiful. We're still in our front color section. However, more in this area is going to be annuals and perennials that prefer to be in the shade. If you get tired or hungry walking the property, we have a gate that opens right up to Karchner's. So you could get a snack and then come back and finish the tour. You still there? We're making our way into the back of the property, what we call the shrub yard. These are going to be plants that are more focused towards your landscaping. Right here, though, we do have some ferns, all kinds of ferns. And then over here, we do have specialty roses, but these are going to be more of your roses that we keep year round. Lots of those. Ooh, I like that. Now we're entering our orchard. This is where we have our citrus trees, our fruit trees, and other edibles like figs and berries. Across from our citrus, for our more niche interests, we have our Japanese maples. Lots of different varieties of these, and we have them all year round. Walking, and we're still walking. We're almost done with our edibles. Make this left here. We're getting to our junipers and more landscaping options of shrubs and trees. Lots going on here. We're still walking. This section is where we house our landscaping shrubs that generally like filtered sun. All around me is our full sun shrub section. This is behind the filtered sun that we just left. And in the very back line, we have all of our different tree options. This is our nursery cat. His name is Biscuit. So if you see him, tell him hello. As far as the eyes can see to my left and right, this is all of our azaleas. The sign doesn't lie. We have a whole section dedicated to camellias. And ground covers. We're leaving the trees and shrubs area. We're entering the breezeway to show you our greenhouse area. This is my favorite area walking into the greenhouse. We have lots of fountains, bonsai trees, and greenery. Walking into our greenhouse, this is what we currently have. All these plants are going to be our indoor plants that like filtered sun, and they're good for patios as well. The house leads you straight to our pottery yard. So we just exited out of our greenhouse, and behind me is our full pottery yard. We try to keep them in season and in style, very trendy, and our owner handpicks each of these pots. So I wanted to stop and take a seat at our outdoor furniture. But if you look over here, we're back at the front entrance almost. So you'll see the cashier's office and that front color section too. Making our way to our gift shop from our breezeway. Come with me. So we're in our gift shop. This is where you can find all of our seasonal settings and home decor. Come take a look. We've made our way to our plant healthcare room. This is where you're going to find all of your insect control, pest control, mosquito control, herbicides, fungicides, anything of that nature. It's going to be in this room. At the end of our gift shop, we have our landscaping services. Let's take a look. This is our landscaping services area where we offer a full turnkey experience and free consultations for everything from outdoor swimming pools, outdoor living, and landscaping. Now we've made it back to the front of the building. We're facing Johnston Street again, and we're in our front color section. Thank you for coming along for our tour today. Hope you enjoyed it.